I'm Adoni, part of the team putting on Stockton Winter Weekend 2023. I'd like to take a couple minutes to show you our website, go over our calendar, let you know what's coming up and how to access everything. We're on January 27th through 30th, 2023. So let's look at the website. When you go to our webpage, folkdancecamp.org, you'll see the January 2023 Winter Weekend button. Clicking that will take you to our Winter Weekend homepage. You'll see guest artists, schedule, register, donations, dance voting, and many other buttons. If you click on the schedule button, that will take you to our calendar page. At the top, you can click here to add our schedule to your Google Calendar. Below that, you can click this line to open a web page to download a PDF and printable version of our calendar, or you can reference it online through the series of calendars below. For example, this is the Pacific Time Zone calendar. You'll see we start at Friday, January 27th at 11 a.m. and we run almost straight through till Monday morning, January 30th at 4 a.m. You'll see our first session is intro, warm-ups, and live music. If you click on that, it'll open it up for additional details. In this case, Gordon will introduce everybody. Andy Taylor-Blennis will hold one of our great warm-up classes, and then our amazing band will play 2 different sets. And then we'll get ready for the rest of the winter weekend. Clicking on the entry will close that, and you can click on any entry to see additional details. For example, Friday at 3:30 is the first of Richard Powers' 2 talks. Evolution of Rock and Roll Music is this one. Or you can scroll down and you can see that on 9:30 a.m. Pacific time on Saturday, we have our party live from Europe. Later that day, 6 p.m. Pacific time, we have our party live from Asia. And so it goes throughout the weekend. You can see some sessions labeled replay. Those are replays of sessions of earlier in the day. And that's the calendar. Easy to use, easy to find. 21 artists, more than 70 hours of programming, parties, dance classes, presentations, everything you like online, everything we like online. We look forward to having Winter Weekend with you. While I'm here, one more thing. Winter Weekend is a donation-sponsored event. Everybody who registers will get a free download link to all of our sessions so you can watch them in the future. You can practice the dances. You can see anything you want again. But Winter Weekend is supported by you. So if you can afford to support us and you like what we do, we would greatly appreciate a donation. You can click on the donation button and you can send it via PayPal, or you can send a check to the address listed below. We're really looking forward to our 3rd Winter Weekend and our 5th online camp.